Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iris J and I am sharing with you guys everything I'm learning along the way as a first-time mom. Today's video is all about the bath time essentials for newborn babies, and I have saved the best for last, so make sure to watch the video till the end. But before I start my video, I want to tell you guys that I'll be making several videos just like this one for other baby essentials like baby playtime essentials, baby hygiene essentials, newborn clothes and stuff like that. So make sure to click that bell icon so you guys never miss any of my future videos. Okay, let's not waste any more time and get into the video. Okay, so the first bath time essential would be bath towels. So bath towels, it's pretty understandable. Obviously, you're gonna need bath towels for your baby's bath time. I got the bath towels for my baby from Walmart, but you can also find some nice ones on Amazon, and I'll have them linked down below in the descriptions. All of the items I'm going to be sharing with you guys today will have their Amazon links down below on the description. Number 2 would be washcloths. I'm gonna recommend getting several washcloths for your baby because you're gonna be needing a lot of them. People actually recommend using several at one bath time because you don't want any cross-contamination between different parts of the body. So usually you would want one to clean your baby with a different washcloth than you used for your baby's face, your baby's head, the bum area. Just keep them separate because your baby is still new and can easily get sick, so you just want to make sure that there's no cross-contamination between different parts of the body. Number 3 bath time essential would be muslin cloths or receiving blanket. So using the muslin cloth might seem weird, but it is so to keep your baby warm. So usually if you would undress a newborn baby and put them directly into the water, the baby might get startled, might get uncomfortable. So I always use the muslin cloth or the receiving blanket to wrap up the baby after I undress her and put her in the water with the cloth wrapped around her, just so she doesn't feel cold after I undress her and she doesn't feel like wet all of a sudden when I put her in the water. This way your baby won't be startled by the cold or the water and will just have a nicer bath experience. Okay, so the number 4 one would be any bathtub or something that you will put your baby in to give your baby the bath. It could be the collapsible bathtub, Angel Care, or the bath flower. I personally use the Angel Care. It was something that I added into my registry and then I got it as a baby shower gift, which was really nice. The Angel Care, you can put it in the bathtub and fill up the bathtub with water and put the baby in the Angel Care, and my baby really likes it. Or if you'd like something more portable that you can give your baby bath anywhere in the house, the collapsible bathtub might be something that you would want to try. In the collapsible bathtub, you can just fill the water in the tub and put the baby in it, and you can put it on the table, on the bed, on the ground, wherever you would like to give your baby a bath. Or the bath flower is something really cute. You can put that in the sink, in the kitchen sink, and you can give the baby bath there. And again, the links for all of these products are linked down below in my Amazon storefront. The next would be baby wash and shampoo. Newborn baby skin is so sensitive that you definitely want to make sure that you get the perfect one for your baby. There are so many baby wash and shampoos out there that are hypoallergenic, sensitive for the baby's skin. I personally use the Aveeno baby wash and shampoo because I have always used Aveeno and I just trust that brand, and it is dermatologist recommended. And for the baby wash and shampoo, it is pediatrician recommended. But if you are someone who might think that your baby might have allergies, so make sure you get the fragrance-free ones or unscented ones. just so your baby doesn't have any allergic reactions. And last but not the least, I would say the baby bath thermometer, just to be sure that the temperature is the right temperature for your baby. You can have the baby bath thermometer in the water to make sure it's not too hot or too cold, because the recommended temperature to give your baby bath in is 120 Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. Just to make sure that your water is the right temperature, you can get one of those really cute ducky thermometer, or the crab ones are really cute, and it'll just help you make sure that the water is the right temperature. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!